In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Amazon. Whether you're looking to switch to a language you're more comfortable with or simply practicing a new one, adjusting the language settings on Amazon is a straightforward process. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together to make sure your browsing experience is just as you want it. First things first, we need to ensure that you're logged into your Amazon account. Head over to the Amazon website and, if prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. If you've set up two-factor authentication or any other security measures, follow through with those steps as well to access your account. Once you're logged in, we can move on to finding the right settings. Now, locate the language selector, a small but crucial element that's easy to overlook if you don't know where it is. At the top of the page, you'll find the search bar, and nearby there's a flag icon. This flag represents your current country's default language setting. It could be the United States flag, the British Union Jack, or another flag depending on where you're located. Hover your cursor over this icon, or give it a click if you prefer a more direct approach. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of available languages. This menu gives you the flexibility to explore various options, each tailored to meet different linguistic preferences. Take your time to scroll through the list and select the language you want Amazon to display. This could be English, Spanish, French, or any of the other choices available to you. After you've selected your desired language from the drop-down list, the next step is to save your changes. It's usually automatic but appears as a confirmation on the site. When you click on your preferred language, the page will briefly refresh. This quick refresh is simply the site processing your request and setting the display language accordingly. Once it reloads, you should see the Amazon site displayed in your selected language. If for any reason you don't notice the change immediately or things still appear a bit off, try refreshing the page manually, or clearing your cache might help in some cases. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your shopping and browsing experience, making it more comfortable and accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on Amazon. Now, you can continue shopping in your preferred language, making your online experience more enjoyable and personalized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on Amazon.